Now that we have learned about the business, let's start the bookkeeping process in QuickBooks Online. The first step is setting up our chart of accounts. I have prepared this chart of account by analyzing the business overview and added in QuickBooks. Let me show you how I did that. Let's go to QuickBooks, select Gear icon and import data. From the drop-down list, let's select chart of accounts. We have two functions here, spreadsheet sync feature or upload a file. I will demonstrate the spreadsheet sync feature later on. For now, let's choose upload a file. Upload. We have two ways to upload, from Excel, from Google Sheet. Let's try Excel first. Download the sample file. That will give us the standard format. Open the file. We don't need these data. We're not using account coding for this example, but we can always use that. So let's go to our G Sheet, copy our original chart of account, paste it here. Make sure to do well paste. Let's clean up the remaining cells. That's good. It's saved. Cancel it out. Go to QuickBooks again. Browse the file. Next, sync the fields with CSV file. So detail type is detail type, account name is account name, and type is type. Let's go next. Here QuickBooks gives us a preview of what it got from the CSV file. Everything seems all good to go. Let's import it. But first, let's check out the Google Sheet sync feature as well. So cancel it out, leave without saving. Again, use file upload. Now we need to connect a G Sheet to import the chart account. Which one? We will connect this one. So let's try connect. Log into our Google account. It will take us to our Google Drive. Locate the file we need to connect. Search. We got it. Select. Now we have the data in chart of account tab. So we need to select that tab as well. Next. Again, sync your fields. Next. Review your fields. Next. Check the preview. All seems good. Then import. As we have already added it in QuickBooks, let's go to our chart of accounts in QuickBooks. We will find it in Transaction Center, chart of accounts. Here's our chart of account imported.